Hey guys, Michael Lee here with Reconciled. Today I am super excited to be showing you Ignition, the proposal and sales automation platform that we use over at Reconciled to help us automate and scale our sales practice. Now, if you know me, you know that I love scalable practices. And when I early started at Reconciled, I was doing a lot of things manually, creating proposals through Microsoft Word, through PDFs, and then emailing them to customers back and forth for signature. And then I had to invoice customers and collect payment. Well, I ran into Ignition at a conference about a year or two into my business, and it changed the game for Reconciled. And now it has been, since I implemented it, a key piece of Reconciled's growth even till this day. So I want to show you quickly some of its cool features. One is how easy it is to create a proposal. You go straight up into the new button and you click on proposal, and Ignition right away takes you into their easy to use interface to be able to create the proposal. We'll call this proposal 1. We'll select any list of customers that you have. Let's look at Amy's Bird Sanctuary. And what I love is the ability to have flexibility on when proposal start date is, whether it's on acceptance date or a specific date. Custom minimum contract lengths, of course, we'll want to do at least a year. I encourage you to do that. And then you're able to select any number of preloaded services you've put in here. Let's go ahead and click on accounting services for a business doing up to $1 million. We want to make this recurring, of course, and I encourage you to leverage Ignition in order to shift to monthly recurring revenue. Let's increase this price to $1,500 a month. And go ahead and click next. Now, love the flexibility here of Ignition. You can accept different payment types, credit, debit cards, ACH transfers, and also require the customer put in their payment information in order to sign the proposal. We'll click next. Your basic terms and conditions that have been preloaded. Then being able to have the custom email template, custom email information you want to add. You can even add an instructional video to your customer on next steps. I'm going to go ahead and send that proposal, and voila, the customer receives a beautiful proposal in their email box. If you're wanting to see what the client actually sees, you can copy the proposal and then take a look at what the customer sees on their side, and you'll see that a beautiful proposal comes up, allowing you to view then what the customer sees in their inbox and what they're able to sign. Just super easy, super convenient. The other beautiful thing is how easy it is to collect payments. Now, one, Ignition integrates with multiple apps, and so I integrated with QuickBooks Online, the software we use for our accounting. And I love the fact that it shows you both the billings that it's going to be collecting at any given time, when those billings are going to be pending, as well as when they're going to be dispersed to your bank account. Love seeing how much money is coming to the account and what historically has come to your account as well. The beautiful thing also, the last beautiful thing I want to show you here is the app integrations. Now, Ignition has done a great job of integrating with some standard apps like Xero, Karbon, and QuickBooks and Gusto, apps that we currently use over Reconciled. But the other beautiful thing is if you want to connect to thousands of other apps, then integrating with Zapier is something we've done at Reconciled to save us a ton of time. This has been a game changer for us. Whenever a customer signs a proposal, Ignition's integration with Zapier kicks off a series of automations through Zapier that we've put together. It allows us to automatically create, for example, folders in Google Workplace, automatically create Slack channels, automatically create notifications to the sales team through Slack and to other team members, automatically add users in the Slack channels and in the Google folders, and also integrate with other systems like HubSpot and other billing systems. So this is just an amazing tool, and if you're not already using this integration, go ahead and use it. Check out Ignition, go to ignitionapp.com, tell them Michael Lee sent you, and book a demo today.